Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Tinsley. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this quick video about our objective this week. So our reading objective is going to be to read stories and tell the difference between nonfiction and fiction stories. Stories that tell information, stories that do not tell information, and that are just for fun. Okay, and so we'll talk about those differences this week. So we're going to take a look at nonfiction and fiction. Nonfiction, over here, are stories that are true stories, real. They're giving us information about real things, real events, real people. Then fiction stories are stories that are not real. They're imaginative stories. They're usually read for fun. They include make-believe things, things that are not real. So, a way to help us remember fiction and nonfiction, I like to say that fiction is fake. Fiction starts with that fiction, fake. Nonfiction, nonfiction, is not fake. So that's a helpful kind of trick to remind you. If you're reading a story and you know that it is a real story, that means it's not fake. It's real. So it's a nonfiction story. If the story is fake and it's make-believe, it's going to be fiction. All right? So that's a great way to remind you. So this week, we're going to read stories and decide if they're fiction or nonfiction. I have a story right here, and I want you to think about if you think this story is fake or not fake. It's called A Chocolate Mousse for Dinner. Think about that. Look at the pictures. What do you think? So if you guessed that this story was fake, you're right. We wouldn't really have a chocolate mousse for dinner. So this is not a real story. This is a fiction story. It is fake. So as you begin reading your stories that you will be reading, I want you to think about fiction or fake. Is it real or is it not real? So this week when you come to class, we will be doing a few different activities to determine if different stories are fake or not fake, fiction or nonfiction. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in class.